Hi everyone, my name is Noren. Today we'll learn how to design a droplet in Figma. So let's get started. Insert a frame to the canvas by clicking F and selecting desktop. Add a rectangle to the frame and change its properties. First its width to 500, its height to 500 and rotate it by 45 degrees. Now align it to the center. To get a droplet, you would have to change the border radius of the left, bottom and right corners. To do so, go here and change the right border radius to 400, bottom radius to 400 and left radius to 400, and we have a droplet here. Let us change its color and let us make it linear. Change the upper stop color to 0038 FF, its lower stop color to 00FFC2 and the transparency to 80%. And there we are with a beautiful tiny little droplet.